Hi, can you guess what fruit I am? I am an apple. A-P-P-L-E spells apple.
I am an orange. Oranges are juicy and full of vitamin C. Spell it with me. O-R-A-N-G-E, orange. Fantastic!
I am a pear. Pears are green and very tasty. Can you spell pear? P-E-A-R, pear. Wow, you did it!
This channel posts fun, faceless animated videos on educational topics. That got over 4.2 million views in the last 30 days. In this video, I'll show you step-by-step how to create videos just like that, completely free, using my easiest method with Canva. Unlike most AI tools that require paid subscriptions or give inconsistent results, Canva makes it simple, reliable, and totally free. And yes, this works for any niche, not just kids' content. So let's get started. First thing you need? Video ideas. Now, there are two simple ways to come up with ideas. If you're a creative type and ideas come easily to you, awesome. Start there. But if you're stuck, no worries. Just head over to ChatGPT. Once you're on ChatGPT, type this prompt. Give me 20 simple video ideas for a niche educational faceless channel. Just swap out niche for your topic. For example, kids, then hit enter. Now look at that. 20 great ideas ready to go. With your ideas in hand, it's time for the next step. Writing your script. Again, two easy methods here. 1. Open a Google Doc and write it yourself. Great if you like writing. But if not, ChatGPT can do it for you. Here's the prompt. Write me a short script for an educational YouTube video titled Your Title. Then tell it what to include, how the video should flow, and who the audience is. For example, I asked, write me a short script for a video titled Name the Fruits. The video should include basic fruits, how to spell them, and is for kids. Simple, right? And now I've got a full script ready to go. You can use the script as is, tweak it, or completely rewrite it, your choice. Once you have it ready, the next step is creating your characters. For this, we'll use Canva. Once on Canva, search for YouTube video, then click Create a blank YouTube video. That'll open up your workspace. Now let's build our characters. Since our video is about fruits, I'll need 3 characters. Let's say apple, orange, and pear. Head to Elements and search for each fruit, one by one. Start with apple, click Graphics, then pick the one you like. Repeat the same for orange and pear. Now I've got my 3 fruits, but they still look flat. Let's bring them to life. To do that, we'll add body parts. Stay in Elements and search for cartoon feet. Once you see options under Graphics, pick one and drag it onto your fruit. Right now, it might appear in front, no problem. Right-click, Layer, Send Backward. Now do the same to add arms. Search cartoon arms, drag them in, resize, and again, send backward. Want a second arm? Just duplicate the one you already have, then flip it horizontally. Adjust it into place, and you'll see our little fruit is turning into a character. Now let's add a face. Search for a cartoon face. Choose one and place it right on your character. Isn't that cute? But there's one last touch, the legs. Right now, they might be pointing in opposite directions. We want them aligned. Crop one leg so it stands alone. Duplicate it, adjust the angle slightly, and then send it to the back. Boom! Your first character is done. Now, repeat the process for your other fruits. But you don't need to start from scratch. Just copy and paste the apple. Position it over the orange. Then delete the apple part. Bring the orange layer to the front. And there you go. Tweak the size, reposition things, and your second character is done, in seconds. Keep going till all your characters are ready. Once done, you can fine-tune them however you want. Then, it's time to download. Click Share, then Download. Choose PNG, not MP4, and hit Download. Now you're ready for the next step, animation. It's time to bring your characters to life, and don't worry, this part is super easy. You won't need any animation skills at all. With just a few clicks, your characters will be moving. We'll be using a free tool called Animated Drawings, and I'll walk you through exactly how to use it next. Once you're on the site, you'll land on a page that says Upload Photo. Click that and upload the character image you downloaded earlier from Canva. Hit Next, and now you'll be taken to a screen where you'll select one character from your image. Use the crop lines to select, for example, your apple character. Once that's lined up, click Next again. Now, the tool will automatically outline your character. Make sure the whole character is properly outlined. If it grabs part of the background, just hit the Erase button and brush it off. Oops, erase something by mistake? No problem. Just click Undo. If any part of your character is missing from the outline, use the Draw tool to fill it in. Just trace over the part that's missing. When you're done fixing the outline, click Next again. Now it's time to set the main points on your character. It usually gets this right, but if anything's off, like the position of the eyes or feet, just drag the points to the correct spots. So if it says right eye, you make sure the point is actually on the right eye. Simple. Once that's done, here comes the fun part. Click Next and wow, your animation is live. Look at that. Your character is now moving across the screen like magic. And here's the best part. You only had to generate this once. Now on the left side of the screen, you'll see a button called Add Animation. Click it and boom, around 30+ different animations pop up. That's more than enough to build a full video with all kinds of fun movements. Want your character to jump, dance, wave? Just click the animation you want. And there it is. And remember when I told you to make both legs face the same direction? Here's why. If the legs were flipped, your character would walk with its legs wide apart. Weird, right? So that small step earlier really pays off here. Now to match the animation with your script, go back and read the lines. Figure out which movements fit each part. Switch between your script and the animation tool. Test different motions, and when you find the right one, download it. To download, just resize the preview window a bit. Click the 3 dots, then hit download. Keep doing this for each movement you need in your video. Build a folder of all the clips, walking, waving, jumping, whatever your script calls for. Once you've got all the animations for your first character, repeat the same exact steps for your other characters. It's fast, easy, and yes, still 100% free. Now that you've got your animated characters ready with all their movements, it's time for the next big part of your video. Now let's bring your characters to life with voice. And guess what? You don't even need to record anything yourself. We're using an amazing free tool called ElevenLabs, and you'll find the link in the video description. Once you're on the site, make sure you're in the text-to-speech section. The first thing to do? Pick a voice. Click the drop-down menu, listen to the different voice options, and select the one you like best. I personally love the child voice, named Gigi, so I'll use her. After choosing a voice, you can also tweak the voice settings. This step is optional, but if you want to adjust tone or clarity, feel free. Now it's time to paste in your script. Copy the first line your character is going to say, in this case, something your Apple will speak. Come back to ElevenLabs. Paste it into the box and double-check your punctuation. Why? Because punctuation controls the way the voice reads the script, pauses, emotion, and clarity. Once that's polished, click Generate, and just like that, your voice is ready. Let's give it a quick listen.
Hi, can you guess what fruit I am? I am an apple. A-P-P-L-E spells apple.
Sounds great, right? Now download the audio. Just click the download icon, and it's saved to your device. Repeat this process for the rest of your script. If you have different characters or want variety in voices, just switch the voice for each new part. Once you've got all your voiceovers downloaded, congrats! You're ready for the final phase, putting everything together. Head back over to Canva, right where we created our characters, because now we'll assemble your full animation video. Start by clicking Uploads, and upload everything you've got, voiceovers and animation clips. Next, click Add Page to start your first scene. Now, let's grab a background. Go to Elements, search for what fits your video. For me, I'll search Kids Background. Click Graphics and scroll through the designs. Pick the one that feels right, then drag it in and resize it to fit the full screen. Want to make it pop more? Go to Edit Photo, click Adjust, and fine-tune the brightness, contrast, or saturation. Now it's time to build your scene. Start by adding your character. Go to Uploads Videos, find your animation, and click to add it. You might notice a white box around your animation. Don't worry. Just click Edit Video, then use Background Remover. Canva will clean it up for you. Once it's on your scene, adjust the size and position as needed. Then take a look at your script and decide what your character is doing and saying in that scene. Trim or crop the animation so it matches the moment. And now, let's make it more engaging. Add text on screen. Click Text, then add a heading. Resize it, then copy your script and paste it into the text box. Customize the font, size, and color to match the look of your video. So far, so good, but now we need to add the voiceover. Go to Uploads, Audio, make sure the playhead is positioned at the right spot, then click your audio file to insert it. Play it through and see where it ends.
Hi, can you guess what fruit I am? I am an apple. A-P-P.
To split the audio, just right-click where you want the break, then choose Split Audio. That's your first scene done. To make your second scene, just duplicate the page. Click the 3 dots, then Duplicate Page. Now, swap out the character movement. Click on the character, delete the current clip, and add in the new animation from Uploads, Videos. Don't forget to remove the background again and adjust the size and position so it matches the last frame of your previous scene. It keeps the transition smooth. Then change the text. Copy the next line from your script, double-click the existing text, delete it, and paste the new line in. Now drag the next audio clip into place, just like before. Split it where it ends and adjust the rest if needed. That's it. Just repeat this exact process for the rest of your scenes and characters. Keep it engaging, keep it flowing, and before you know it, your entire animated video will be done. Once all your scenes and audio are in place, there's one final touch: background music. For this, I use a free site called Pixabay. Once on Pixabay, search for the type of music you want and make sure you click Music under the filter. Listen through the options. Pick one that fits your vibe and click Download. Now go back to Canva and upload the music file. Drag it into your timeline and make sure it starts at the very beginning of your video. Click on the track, then adjust the volume so it doesn't overpower your character's voice. Keep it subtle and smooth. Want to get even more creative? You can add sound effects, change transitions, or enhance text. The possibilities are endless. Once you're happy with the final version, it's time to download your masterpiece. Click Share, then Download. Leave it as MP4 and hit Download again. That's it. You now have a fully animated, voice-powered educational video, ready to upload to your YouTube channel. Let's hit play and see what we've created. And if you like this step-by-step guide, check out my other videos for more awesome content like this. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next video.
Hi, can you guess what fruit I am? I am an apple. A-P-P-L-E spells apple.
I am an orange. Oranges are juicy and full of vitamin C. Spell it with me. O-R-A-N-G-E. Orange! Fantastic!
I am a pear. Pears are green and very tasty. Can you spell pear? P-E-A-R, pear. Wow, you did it!